Hi, this is James Gill, and today we're going to be discussing multiplication using the partial product method. The partial product method is a different way of doing multiplication than what your parents probably learned using what's known as the standard algorithm. Let's take an example of a question like 27 times 42, and let's demonstrate it using the partial product method. The reason many math teachers like this method is because they feel it does a good job teaching place value. So let's begin. First, let's take 7 and multiply that by 2. So 7 times 2 equals 14. Now I leave a lot of space because I'm going to be lining up my numbers. And I'm going to be preserving what's known as place value when I'm doing my multiplication. So the next question is, the next step is to do 7 on the bottom times 4 on the top again. But it's not really a 4. It's actually a 40, because that's 4 tens. So I know that 7 times 4 is 28. And with a 0 on the end, that's 280, because that's 10 times as much when you have the 0 on the end. Now, my next step is to do 2 times 2. But it's not 2 on the bottom. That's actually 20 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 20 times 2, that makes 40, because it's 10 times as much. And the next step is 2 times 4, but it's not 2, and the bottom is 20, as we already discussed, and it's not 4 on the top, it's 40. So there's 2 zeros there, so I'm going to put 2 zeros at the end of my multiplication question. So I just think about 2 times 4, and that's equal to 8. So that gives me 20 times 40 is 800. And now I just add this all up. Notice I've kept all my numbers nicely lined up. So 4 plus zeros is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 4 more is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 8 is 11. So that's 1,134. So that's just how you do the partial product method. It teaches you to keep your numbers aligned in a nice straight line, and to understand place value and how it affects multiplication. I'm Mr. Gill, and tune in for more math casts on different methods of solving problems.